Hey guys, again, carrying on with our tutorial, we can see here the banner we just created in the last video, and it actually looks pretty decent and authentic as well. If I click on it, there it'll just redirect me to google.com, which was the destination of our test page if you remember. So perfect, now we have successfully created our first banner ad. But before carrying on to the next tool, let me give you an extra cool tip that you can also do. If you go to the Mobiflux plugin settings right here, you'll see a shortcode of the ad you just created. So click on it to copy it, and then I want you to go to your page and then paste this code in the body of your page, just like I'm about to do right now here. There. And then click update and then visit the page. And as we can see, the ad didn't just appear as a footer in the page, but also between the contents of the page. So this can be super beneficial if you want to put your banner ad in a specific place on your page. That was it guys for the banner ads, and now let's proceed further to the next tool in the next video.